Deep research isn't about skimming for answers. It's a relentless excavation of knowledge, peeling back layers until the truth emerges.
Let's do a deep dive with ChatGPT. Today we're going to use the ChatGPT 4.0 mini model. It's great for most tasks. From the tool selection bar, choose Run Deep Research. The prompt I'm going to use has already been written out, which makes it easier for me to paste in. I'm creating a micro-level economic summary of the Southern California commercial real estate market. It's going to cover all the major property types. It's going to cover demographics, data, insights, and then it's going to look at multiple websites for their information. It's going to put it all together with graphs and visualizations and present it to me. Let's do it. Once you hit the deep research, ChatGPT will ask you 3 to 4 follow-up questions to make sure they understand the assignment. The first question is, what specific submarkets do I want emphasized? And I'm going to say all of them. Second question is, do I prefer the final summary to be in a report format or a conversational analysis? And I want a report format with visualizations. And we'll make sure that's spelled right. Do we want distressed assets, adaptive reuse, or ESG-related development trends? No. Major market trends only. And finally, should we emphasize investor or tenant perspectives or balance both equally? And we're going to say balance in both. Now it's going to begin the deep dive. It's going to cover Los Angeles, Orange County, the Inland Empire, and San Diego. The first thing it does is review the task. And you can see here it's begun the research. This is the progress bar we will use to follow. It takes a minute to get going. And once it does, you can stop the research if you want, and you can open up the sources and activity panel to watch the activity. The first thing it's going to do is compile all the sources. We're back. It took about a minute for the sources to start coming in, so I paused the video and restarted it. Here you can see it started to gather the sources from all the websites that I listed that I wanted information on. It's starting with CBRE of Southern California, and it's gathering those insights. It's also piecing together the industrial, office, retail, and multifamily markets, focusing on vacancy, absorption, rent growth, and the demographic influences. It's going to work through whether or not the Outlook search might fail, or Gmail, and sometimes it goes down these side roads, and that's fine. We're just going to let it. It's searching now for additional Southern California real estate. It's gathering data from Colliers, Cushman, CoStar, Marcus, NAI, Global, and progressing through each of these websites. Here you can see where Chat has tagged the website that it's gone to and searched. CBRE is the first one, and it's specifically focused on the Southern California market. So far, it's found 4 sources. As it moves forward, it's found another good source from CBRE. And now it's looking for search terms within the reports that focus on the 2025 market reports. It's going to use those as its SEO to pull forward. My prompt becomes the search. Here you can see it's working through a problem, a script problem. Information is partially visible. This happens when you hit websites that have membership or paywalls. GPT will try to work and think around that. Here, it's found a link to read some meeting documents, and it's moving forward. All right, it's finally done. It ended up taking 10 minutes to complete the research. It did 61 total searches. We wound up with 23 total sources to use in this report. And you can scroll down the entire activity lineup to see how it integrated Python to get past barriers, how it read through each of the websites, how it put all the information together and merged it into one complete chart. And let's see what it gave us. Here it is, the Southern California Commercial Real Estate Market Q3 2025 Outlook. Now, this document is going to be the seed document for a custom GPT that's going to come up in another video, but this video is getting long enough. So I just wanted to show you what it came up as. It does have a chart, average asking rents for LA County. Okay. It's quoted all of the hard facts from the documents that it found. Here's another chart it put together, market supply and demand. And you can see it's a pretty long document. Here's the retail section, multifamily, land development, conclusion, and key takeaways. We're going to extract this and put it in a Word document. See you next time.